Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I am excited to be bringing you today an absolute classic Vietnamese salad. It is a papaya and prawn salad, and we're going to spice things up with some nuts today. Thank you, Morish nuts. So we're going to go ahead, guys, and just peel the outside, and then we're going to julienne this. So we're going to go ahead and butterfly our prawns now, guys. Vietnamese food is actually very colourful as well. But we're getting spoiled today, and Morish Nuts has just come out with this new range. They're hot and spicy peanuts, which is fantastic. They're caramelized and coated in some spices. It looks pretty Morish to me. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna get you now.